Happy Friday. I'm Miss Jamie, pre-K 3 teacher at the Anthony School. So today is Friday, May 15th, and we have several birthdays. Today's birthday, we have Riley. She's in the 8th grade at the Anthony School. And on Sunday, we have 3 birthdays. We have Gabby in Miss Virginia's class. We have Brennan, who is in 6th grade. And we have Miss Mann, middle school teacher. So y'all have a great birthday today, and then the ones on Sunday, y'all have a great birthday. So today also, there's 2 national, I wouldn't call them holidays, 2 national things happening today. National Pizza Party Day. So you can make your own pizza, order your pizza, put it on little fun plates, and have a National Pizza Party Day. Another thing, what I'm really looking forward to, it's National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. So you can make some chocolate chip cookies, make them with your family, and share them. So anyway, y'all enjoy y'all's pizza and your chocolate chip cookies.